Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: your phone, ID photo, and the card you'll link. Open the Pay It app and sign in. Make sure you allow camera and notification permissions so verification and alerts work. Next, tap Add Payment Method and enter your card details. Once done, confirm the temporary microcharge or two-step code the app sends to verify the account. This step prevents failed transfers and speeds future payments. You now create the payment. Pick a recipient from contacts or enter their phone or email. Choose the exact amount and currency, and add a clear memo or invoice number so both sides know what the payment covers. If needed, tap Split to divide costs among people, Schedule to set a future date, or Recurring to automate repeated transfers. Once done, review fees, source account, and delivery method so there are no surprises before you authorize. You finish by reviewing the payment summary and then tapping Confirm. Authenticate with your PIN, fingerprint, or the 2FA code. After sending, monitor notifications and activity to see status updates and receipts. Make sure the recipient received the notice. If anything goes wrong, such as a failed transfer or incorrect amount, immediately use the app's cancel or dispute option and follow the guided steps to request a refund and contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.